Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to design beautiful text effect easily in Canva. So for us to be able to begin, once you're already onto the editing page, you need to think of something or an idea that you want to do. So for example, we're going to go ahead and try to create something that is rose related. So we're going to head here onto the elements, onto the right side corner of the screen, and then we'll type in rose. Then right after, click on to enter, and then you should be able to see different rose designs in here. So first, we'll choose a photo of a rose in here. So let's have something that it has a background. So for example, we want to use this one. So we're going to go ahead and try to fit this one onto the screen. And then we'll try to find a graphics that is similar to this. To do so, just right click onto this and then click onto see more like this. So you should be able to find in something like that. Or we could go ahead and browse here onto graphics that is almost similar to this. For example, this specific design or this one. So we could design this just like that. Now, right after, what we need to do in here is to download this. So just click on to share in here, suggest the type, which is PNG, and then click on to download. So right after that one is downloaded, just head here on to upload, and then we're gonna upload that specific design in here. So let's just gonna go ahead and drag and drop it in here. Then we'll add in another page. Here onto this page, we're gonna add in our design, which is this one. Think of dragging and dropping it in here. So it should look something like this. Head back here onto the left side, click onto elements, and then this time just go ahead and remove this. And then we're gonna go ahead and click onto frame. So we're gonna type in here, letter R. So let's click onto see all in here onto frames, and then let's choose which one you prefer. So for example, this, let's make this one smaller just like that, add in O, and then let's repeat the process until we should be able to build rows. Now you should be able to build something like this. Right after, head back onto your uploads and add this each one by one on each frame. So you'll just have to add this. Simply click onto that one, and then you could go ahead and expand the image to fit this one onto the screen. So just add it back again, just like how you've added this as a background, and do the same thing for all of the letters in here. Then double click and then adjust this again. Then repeat the process. Now, once you finish all of the letters, just remove the background earlier and it should go ahead and look something like this. Now, right after, just go ahead and download this certain page that we have in here and click on to download. You'll just have to select page 2 for this. Remove all of the other pages and then just click onto transparent background. Click onto download. Now let's head back here onto first page and then let's remove this one out. Let's remove the background for this one. Let's drag and drop the newly downloaded design that we have in here onto page 1. Now let's resize this to fit the screen. It should look something like this. Let's right click onto this, click onto the layer, and then you could choose to send this backward or send to back. And since this one does not really that visible, let's go ahead and have this one sent to back. And for the specific design that we have in here, we could adjust the transparency for that one so that the rose text should be very visible. And it should go ahead and look something like this. So once you're satisfied, just go ahead and click on to share and then download this as a PNG. And that is just basically it, how you design a beautiful text here onto Canva. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.